Hi everyone, I'm Tillman, Engineering Manager for Sentry's AI ML team. Our theme today is simple, improving developer efficiency. In this session, we'll be discussing a suite of artificial intelligence and machine learning powered tools that we've designed to reduce noise, improve the quality of alerts, and make triage faster and easier. First, I'm going to talk about our work removing noise from the issue feed. We've been busy the past few months developing AI grouping and priority alerts, which are both generally available for our JavaScript, Ruby, and Python SDKs. AI grouping uses a powerful embeddings model to efficiently compare errors and automatically identify instances where they should have been grouped together. Since its release, our beta users have already seen over a 40% reduction in issue volume on average. What does this look like in practice? Right now, I'm running a script that occasionally throws errors during a recursive function call, which is a common failure case in our old grouping logic. On the left, we can see the old grouping logic, which occasionally generates new issues as the errors continue to come in. On the right, our updated grouping algorithm is able to correctly aggregate every error into the same issue. ML priority alerts take this noise reduction a step farther. This feature uses a combination of statistical methods and ML to identify and filter out low priority issues that are not affecting your application in any meaningful way. We've also added safeguards. Our escalating issues algorithm will alert you when there's a spike in volume. Together, these features represent the largest improvement to our issue alerting flow that we've ever shipped, and we can't wait to hear your feedback. We'll be expanding support to all major languages and frameworks over the coming months. Next, Jen will be talking about our updates to AutoFix, which is our generative AI approach to issue resolution.
Hi everyone, I'm Jen, an engineer on the AI ML team. I want to introduce two new features designed to make debugging faster and easier: AI issue summaries and AutoFix. First up, issue summaries. This feature gives developers instant context, helping you quickly grasp the nature and the scope of a Sentry issue you're reviewing. Think of it as a TLDR for your bug, summarizing the essentials before you dive into the full report. We also provide an analysis of the likely impact, which helps you make triage decisions efficiently. Of course, we've also been hard at work on AutoFix. AutoFix is our AI system that is able to automatically perform root cause analysis of your Sentry issues and even generate PRs with fixes. You can access AutoFix at any time from the issue details page. When you trigger an AutoFix run, it analyzes your code base, all of the available context within Sentry, and surfaces insights along the way. When it's done, you see an in-depth root cause analysis, including the relevant code context, steps to reproduce, and even suggested unit tests. Once you're ready to proceed, you can ask AutoFix to generate a PR. Throughout this entire process, AutoFix will ask for additional context anytime it's needed. You can also add your own thoughts at any time during the run. AutoFix and issue summaries are available for all customers in our early adopter program starting today. Turn on the early adopter toggle in your Sentry settings to try them out and let us know what you think. Now, while these features help you solve issues faster, we also wanted to improve how you stay on top of your system's health. That's where anomaly detection comes in. I'll hand it over to Ram to show you how the system works.
Hi, I'm Ram, a senior machine learning engineer on the AI ML team. Anomaly detection makes setting up metric alerts easier than ever. Instead of manually configuring thresholds, Sentry automatically spots unusual behavior in your system, reducing noise and alert fatigue. Traditionally, setting up metric alerts involved manually configuring static thresholds. This approach often led to two common problems. Either you would set the threshold too low and get overwhelmed with alerts, or you would set it too high and miss important issues. Anomaly detection solves this problem by automatically adapting to your system's behavior. Our anomaly detection algorithm uses a state-of-the-art statistical technique called matrix profiles. Matrix profiles enables efficient anomaly detection in time series data by identifying subsequences with unusual distance patterns compared to the rest of the series, highlighting potential anomalies or discards. Anomaly detection-based alerts are trivial to set up. You simply need to identify the level of sensitivity our algorithm should use, and whether to detect all anomalies or only spikes in certain direction. Sentry's anomaly detection algorithm dynamically adjusts to the changes in your data. A sharp spike will immediately be flagged as an anomaly, but we will automatically identify it as the new normal if it persists for a long enough time. Anomaly detection ensures that you're alerted only when something truly unusual happens, reducing both false alarms and missed issues.
The features we spoke about today are all about making your workflow more efficient and your alerts more meaningful. From reducing noise with AI grouping and ML priority alerts to automating fixes with AutoFix. And finally, staying on top of system health with anomaly detection. Our goal is to help you spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time on what matters. Try them out and head over to Discord to share your feedback.